Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing this morning? I hope we're all well, rested, lubricated, ready to go. All those good things, all those good things. If you're new here, I see we do have a couple new people. Welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. My name is Dre Futures. Call me Dre. If you can, I gotta say, do all the YouTuber things first. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And let's get into Stoic SBS Trading. So let me, first thing I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. It's a little loud in my ear. Yeah, that seems to be good. I could maybe be able to turn this up just a tad bit. Okay, guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see, what we got here? What we got here? Let me pull out this chat real quick. Pop out the chat. LC, welcome, man. Welcome, 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 welcome. Andre, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Fatal, good morning. Good to see my regulars here. I love it. I love it, I love it. I hope we're all trading well. Hope we're all trading safe. We have Pal today. You will trade. That's a good question. I just checked the news about 5 minutes ago and I'm realizing, yeah, we do have Pal today. And we all know, well, you should know, Pal is a market mover. Like no other. He's a market maker. You thought ICT was the guy? Nah, this dude Pal. Nah, Pal's the actual. He's the actual guy. So I'm gonna play everything really safe. I don't know whether it's like a speech or like maybe he's just doing like a press conference or he's speaking at Disneyland or some shit. Because they will. Mic sounds off and the music is loud. Okay. Music is loud. Music is loud. Music is loud. Let's turn this down a little bit. And yeah, it doesn't seem like my mic is coming through all that hot for some reason. Huh. What's going on there? What's going on there? 1 second, guys. I don't want to like blow you guys' eardrums off. What's going on here? Once again, I'm new to the YouTube things, so bear with me for 1 second. I'm trying to figure out why is my mic. Seems like it's not as sensitive. I'm talking right into the mic. Huh. Kind of weird, kind of weird, kind of weird. Let me investigate that. What I got number 2 minutes here. 1 second. Mic test. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let's try this. How do I sound now? Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, guys, I think that sounds a little bit better. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Apparently, my mic wasn't set to the correct settings there. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Anyway, back to the show. Back to the show. Back to the show. Back to the show. All right, guys. So let's get into analyzing here. Yeah, LC. For whatever reason, the my mic settings was kind of screwed up. It was, I guess it was going to like my actual headset. Call it. But anyway, so for everybody who doesn't know, I like to play the opening range of the first 15 minutes of the day. So I like to mark up this first 15-minute candle here, just the high and the low. The orb right there, and this isn't a Stoic thing. Once again, this is something that I just like to have on my charts. Just a little level, just to know where I'm at in the market instead of just being completely naked. Alrighty, now I'm gonna drop it down to my 5-minute. My 5-minute looks really bullish. I like that. My 15-minute also is suggesting more bullish action. My 1 hour is probably obviously bullish. So yeah, I'm expecting a bullish price action today. The problem is Powell could come in here and mess everything up. So it would be lovely if we can get a trade in before that, but I'm not getting my hopes up all that much. So as you can see, we are getting a lot of noise here on the 1 minute. Like a lot of noise. Let me see, what can we do here? Let's see what we can do here, guys. Let's see if we can make something happen. Hey, Nick, good morning, brother. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm assuming that you're also bullish as well, but don't let me tell you. That's first 15 minutes was kind of ugly until like a couple seconds ago. I'm looking at all this nonsense right here, and I'm like, ugh. Maybe the market doesn't know how it wants to react. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can get into a trade here. It might be a quick and dirty one here today, guys. We'll see, because we have Powell speaking in what, 13 minutes? I kind of don't like that. So let's see if we can get something in before then. All right, so we're closing above our orb high, which suggests bullish action, but we already kind of knew that. Let me know, guys. Is that music too loud, by the way? I'm still trying to play with the sound settings here. All right, let's see. We got 1, 2. We got a 3 here. I would like to draw my fib from here, just to see where we're at. Start plotting these numbers real quick. And this is just like my process, guys. I'm just like, I'm dancing and I'm jabbing with the market once again. I'm not really, trying to get into something serious at the moment. But I like to do like this little song and dance just to see what the market is kind of doing. So I'm kind of flowing, make sure I'm on the right side and flowing correctly with the market. So here's 1. Here's 2. Not really considering anything too serious yet, even though this does look pretty promising. The fib also looks kind of weird too. So I kind of like this as my 3. So 1, 2, 3. We could have a model 1 happening here, guys. Let's see if my 30-second. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to the 1 minute here. Let's stick to the 1 minute. Okay, if we can get some sweeps here, we might be able to get an early trade in here, guys. Yeah, 1, 2. Everything kind of seems to be in line with bulls at the moment. So there's your sweep. Wow. I also don't like to be too early in some of these trades, but if the market is presenting 1, 2, 3, 4, we might get an early one here, guys. Need to see a little bit more confirmation here. I would like another punch down, but this little tap right here, that could be it. That could be it. That could be it. Yeah, I'm not seeing too many reasons of why this wouldn't be your first little SBS right here. Not seeing too many signals of why not. I may give this a shot here, guys. May give this a shot here. Oh, wait a second. What's it want to do here? What do you want to do? What do we want to do first? What do we want to do first? May give this a shot. Patience, 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 patience. Cool.
Order filled.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna give this a shot here. Not the cleanest, but let's see if we want to come back to these high. Wow. Okay. Or maybe we just got faked out there, and I'm gonna get out of that. Alrighty. First L of the day. First L of the day. First L of the day. Minus 130 on that one, guys. All right, so now we're going to sit on hands for a second. Now we're going to sit on hands for a second, because that was quite a drop down there. Maybe I miscalculated something here. Yeah, so got cooked right there, guys. Got cooked. Very fastly, I might add. Okay. That was interesting. That was interesting. I'm gonna pull my fib down just a little bit lower. And I'm gonna see if we can try and play this area here. But that was very fast. That was very fast. I was not expecting that, like, at all. Yeah, that little whipsaw there was kind of crazy. But this still has the potential to go. May give it another shot here, may not. But I also don't want to be too impulsive here. Yeah, I don't want to be too impulsive here, but everything still says to be bullish. Okay. See trade, take trade. What can I say? Whoops. I hate it when this happens. Hold up, guys. There we go. I think that's right. Do I give this another shot? Alright, guys. I'm gonna give this one more shot here. And if not, I could just be done for today. Maybe Powell is kind of messing us up here. Oh yeah, what is going on here? Or we can wait. All right. Let me give it another shot here, guys. Let me give it another shot here. Stops once again at this level. See if price wants to push back up. I may have held one and fib from high to low. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not seeing any reason why we would want to be bearish here. Alrighty, guys, might be a quick stream here. Oh man, wow. Yeah, if I get cooked here, I'll just lock this account. Try and preserve some capital there. I'm gonna add into that. Whoa, okay. All right, it's one of these type of days, huh? One of these type of days, huh? Oh, come on. You've got to be joking. That's very unfortunate on my part. That's well, this is what I get for trying to get in front of Powell, I guess. That is mighty unfortunate for me. That's oh boy. Yeah, that's true. That is very true. Wow. Okay, I might have to boogie out of this one. We got 3 more minutes here, but wow. I don't, it doesn't have to go back up anymore. Oh, this is a rough day. I was not expecting that though. Oh, boy. Okay. All right, let me get out of that, guys. That's rough. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That is insane. Okay, well, that's how the news wanted to play with us today, I guess. That's how the news wanted to play with us. Just instantly pop and then just drop after that. All right, so now that Powell's about to speak, and I mean, I think Powell that's like an event, right? Like he'll just be talking. Let me see. Fed Powell testifies. So does that mean just like up and I don't know. I don't know. And I think you guys are right. This may have been a little bit better right here. But I'm gonna let it go. We have a couple more seconds until Powell testifies. That's man. Did you guys see that? It was 1 second. It was 1 second. Yeah, so we don't mess with red folder news, but I saw the trade, I liked it, took it, and now the market is acting like this. Oh boy. It was crazy. I still like this trade, but I can't. I can't enter. Yeah, I can't enter off of this. Oh, that's nuts. Man, that thing teleported all the way up in a nanosecond. Never seen price move that fast. I've seen it move fast, but I've never seen it just print a wick, a 40-point wick, and you don't even see the movement. I still want to give this a shot though. But it might be too late. We don't mess around with red folder news though. How unfortunate, guys. How unfortunate. I think it's worth the risk here, guys. I think it's worth the risk here. All right. 1, 2, 3. Got some bullish action there. Cool. All right. Let me give that one last shot here, guys. Oh, wow. And we are done for the day. It's looking like it. Well, guys, looks like I let you down today. May have let you down today, guys. May have let you down. I still believe in this trade, but it's not looking too good. Yeah, it's no longer looking good here, guys. Can we close above the 20? Got you. Hey, Andre, I guess that's how it goes sometimes, right? I'm hoping to, but it doesn't look too bad on the 5 minute. I might just keep my eyes on the five. Might just keep my eyes on the five. Something was kind of telling me, hey, just don't trade your funded account. Trade a combine or something today. I kind of woke up with that mentality this morning. Can we hold above here? Or do we want to reject like crazy? Would love it if we just start to explode here. That would be lovely. Giving it a minute here. Giving it a minute. If not, this will just be a very tough day for me. Doing my very best to stay calm in this, but this is some ugly price action here. Does anybody know if Powell is like speaking, or is it like an active, like, did he just like, I don't know, send an email to everybody?
Order filled.
And there it goes. I lost $500 today. Well, that's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. Yeah, guys, I wasn't a stoic trader today. A month's worth of progress just gone, just like that. It's days like this where it's really hard to keep your composure, man. Cause we were in right here, and it just teleports up without us able to make a decision. We get another trade, and then it slips me for a billion points. It's really hard to keep your composure like that, man. Yep. Yeah, win stupid prizes or play stupid prizes, however the fuck the saying goes, man. I don't know, but man, that's rough, man. That is really rough. That's hard. That is really hard. But I promise to show you guys the good and the bad, the ugly and all that. And today was one of those days. I got destroyed today, man. And the day's barely done. Yeah, being out before 10:30 is kind of rough, man. Well, guys, that's the way it crumbles. That's the way the cookie crumbles, I guess. That is quite a day. I would switch over. I mean, I could switch over to my combine, but it's like, I don't know. That was very upsetting. That was very, very, very upsetting, man. I'm not gonna lie. Losing 500 in a funded account that's barely anywhere, that's still not out of drawdown, is just crazy, man. Absolutely insane. Nutso butso, man. Like just absolute insanity. And something said, "Hey, trade your combine today. Trade your combine today." And I didn't listen. Didn't listen. I didn't listen. I didn't listen. Oy. But anyway, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I know Andre is out for today. Man, that is really rough, guys. That is really rough. Yeah, I don't know what Price wants to do. Sit on hands and wait. Man, what a mess. What a mess. Yeah, I don't know. Moving average kind of says that we may want to bounce, but it's kind of looking like a ranging kind of like don't do anything condition right here. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. I got destroyed. Got destroyed here today, guys. Got destroyed. Let me switch back to the combine. I mean the funded account. Yeah, this one was hard. Why didn't I listen to the little voice that said trade your combine today? Why didn't I listen? Why didn't I listen? Why didn't I listen? Knowing that I had a rough morning and a rough night, and I still went in to a very difficult condition. It's like everything's got to be on point for trading, man. It's like there can't be any screws loose. It's like no halfway in, halfway out. It's like it's either all or nothing, man. It's really annoying. Really annoying. Really annoying. You get the correct trade, but it feels you in this. You don't get a fill, or it just moves so incredibly quick that you can't really make a decision. But all this is my emotions talking because I lost. Like this was insane. This doesn't even make any sense. So this is a wick on the 1 second. Like I can't drop it down any lower than this. Like this is a wick on the 1 second. Ay. And the long that I wanted to play down here is working out, of course. I guess we just wanted to wick on down, not respect any levels. I guess. What's gold doing? And gold is doing nothing that I can see. You could see a short out of gold from these levels here. I actually kind of like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I also don't want gold to just cascade on me. Guys, I kind of like this gold short here. You close on the 5 minute. Close on the 5 minute was pretty respectable. And it's running. No retracement, just running. Can we get a little bit moved back into here? Or is it just going to collapse on itself? Or will gold also make a fool of me? And it's looking like that it is. Well, guys, I'm having one of those days. I'm having one of those days, guys. I'm having one of those days. Yep. Falling like a rock. Yep, that looks pretty good. I don't usually trade gold though, guys. That's why I'm not like just hopping in. But this gold short looks pretty nice. I also don't want to be in at this level right here. I wanted to be up here somewhere. Yeah, I'd rather not. I'd rather not deal with fiddling in the middle right here. So this either has two options. It can either retrace to pick me back up, or it can like just melt down from here. Man, that is really unfortunate that I got chewed up in this mess right here. Ugh. Doesn't that suck, guys? Let's see what gold wants to do. Oh, wrong channel here. Oh, the real question is, where the hell can gold even go from here? I guess that's the real problem. Oh, look how low we are on gold. Wow. One, two, three. I mean, I feel like I'm fishing for a trade at this point now. I might stop after this. Yeah, like getting cooked like that is kind of crazy. One, two, three. Yeah, I don't know. These sweeps here is kind of unrealistic. It is 10:25. Can you take a look at ES? Sure. I'll be honest, I don't see anything on ES. Yeah, I'm not. I'll be honest. I'm not really seeing too much on ES. ES looks a little. ES looks more confused than than NQ. To be very honest with you. I mean, you got a bullish engulfing here, and you got. I mean, it would suggest it wants to go higher, but I'm not seeing a model on top of this. This looks like heartbeat price action. So I don't know. You're getting conflicting signals here on your lower time frame. It's just a messy market, guys, and I got caught up in it. Take a 5 minute break, yeah. Look like a short SBS setup on ES or no? The problem is that your 5 minute is bullish here. Look how close the 20 is to the 200, and look how it's starting to expand away from it. So I wouldn't be looking for any shorts right here. I would remain bearish, but it's up to you. I'm not even in the mode to look at a bearish setup with all of this bullish price action. So at your own discretion. At your own discretion. And look at that, gold is not coming back down. Find some buyers here on gold. And we're right back here with gold. I'm not too sure anymore. Yeah, that's messy, and all of this is messy. Kind of want to give the gold short a try, but I've been here with gold. Gold likes to gold likes to not follow the rules sometimes. Like it'll look really good until it doesn't. Yeah, it'll look really good until it doesn't. Like right now, like that looks pretty good to take it back down, right? Never tested the 20 there. I'm just not too sure of how low gold wants to go. And I'm not in tune with gold's price action, even though it looks really good. NQ and ES are a mess. We're getting those sweeps though. One, two. Oh wait, hold up. No, we didn't get a 3. And I'm not. I'm not about to look at this. Yeah, this is nuts. Platform is moving kind of slow here. Yeah, I can't switch. Uh-oh. Did something happen? Did somebody break top step? Yeah, I really can't switch. Let me guess. This is probably. Yeah. Project X is bugging out. Project X is bugging out, guys. Yeah, I can't even. Okay, cool. The short's kind of working out, though. Never mind. Ooh. Yeah, it's kind of rough here. Very interested to see what gold's going to do, just to see if I was in this trade, would it have worked or not. Why are we watching gold if you don't trade it? Because my mind is going crazy. Because my mind is going crazy, and I'm looking for some type of mental relief. And NQ is getting on my nerves. Ooh, so guys, it's kind of hard to switch between what's the word I'm looking for? Between products here. So this might be a day. Why not take a 5-minute lockout and grab a coffee? True. Because honestly, I'm thinking about just locking myself out for the entire day and just not coming back. Because you know, the technical difficulties, the fact I'm this close to being trading on tilt. I'm kind of emotional because I had a winning trade, but then it turned into a losing trade in the split second. Those are no fun. And now this. So oh no, Brando, it's all love. I get it because it's like, yeah, it's like when you look at it, it's like, what the hell even is this? So like, if you were to just get rid of all of your all the drawings here, like, yeah, what is there to do right here? Nothing. I am kind of mad that I just let a month's worth of progress slip right through my fingers. Like, I didn't trade the rest of the week. I didn't trade all last week, and I made some decent profit the week before that, and I just gave it all back in an instant. So that doesn't feel good. That doesn't feel good at all. Just for some, I mean, it's upsetting. It's upsetting because it's like, yeah, like, look at these wicks on the 5-minute. Like, what was there to do? And then I woke up this morning knowing, maybe I should chill out this morning. But no. I said I woke up feeling confident, and I get absolutely wrecked. So weeks to build confidence in like a literal split second to destroy it. Trading is just something different, man. And why don't I see the Well, this is odd. Okay, so I can't even change time frames. Gotcha. Okay, guys. I'm struggling. I'm on tilt. I'm officially on tilt. So I have nothing else to trade. I'm about to do this right here. Yep, I have nothing else to trade, guys. I have nothing else to trade. I'm locking it up for today. I am completely emotional. I'm on tilt. The platform's not even fucking working anymore. So it's like, what else is there to do, right? And I am very, 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 very upset that I turned a small losing day into a big losing day. I lost more than I intended today. I played around with red folder news. Powell was speaking for some fucking reason at 10 a.m. Have you considered smaller size for the funded account? I mean, that's about 4 or 5 micros is about as small as I would like to go. I'm usually trading about 3 micros at a time. And of course, I decide to size up just a tad bit today and get absolutely wrecked. It happens every single time. You decide to size up just a little bit, and it just comes back to bite you. I made that mistake before. Yeah, guys. Yeah. I'm calling it a stream early. Today, guys. Calling it a stream early. I'm calling it a stream early. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this up for a couple more seconds if it decides to work. But yeah, I'm done today, guys. I got cooked, and I'm very emotional right now, and I'm recognizing that. So I'm just gonna step away for the day and just collect myself, see what we can do with this, because this really sucks. I'm not gonna lie. I lost $130 extra to what I intended. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next stream. This is not a good showing today. Not a good performance. Not a good performance. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys.